Unlocking the meaning of hold steady, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, hold steady. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or everyday conversations. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for mastering the English language. So, let's get started and explore what hold steady really means. Hold steady primarily means to keep something stable or in a fixed position. It suggests not moving or shaking. Imagine holding a camera. You're told to hold it steady to avoid blurry pictures. This literal meaning is the foundation for understanding its more figurative uses. In a figurative sense, hold steady is used in various contexts. 1. Emotional stability. When someone says, hold steady, in an emotional context, they mean maintaining calmness or composure, especially in challenging situations. 2. Perseverance. In the face of difficulties or uncertainties, hold steady can mean to continue resolutely or patiently. 3. Consistency. In work or performance, it suggests maintaining a consistent level of quality or effort. Let's see how hold steady is used in different sentences. During crisis, despite the market crash, investors were advised to hold steady and not sell their stocks in panic. Emotional control. When you feel overwhelmed, remember to hold steady and breathe. In instructions, hold the ladder steady while I climb up. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in various contexts. It's important to note that hold steady doesn't mean to hold something physically. It often confuses English learners who might take it too literally. Remember, its usage is more about maintaining a state or condition than physically gripping something. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and usage of hold steady. It's a phrase that's both practical and metaphorical, enriching your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and remember, in your journey of learning English, hold steady and you'll see great progress. See you in the next video.